All right. In the last class, what did we learn? ನಮ್ಮ ಕರಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ದಾದ ಕಲ್ತ body parts. Okay. Body parts, human body. So we'll do some review of those. I think we had a lot of homework sentences that we learned, and in addition we'll also do some more. So let's go through a few translations or questions from English to Tulu. How do we say that in Tulu? I think I will go one by one so that we don't have to feel like we don't know who will answer for that. So I'll go in the order as I see it here. Maybe with the Akshaj. Akshaj, you can try to translate this. My eye color is black.
ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಬಣ್ಣ ಕಪ್ಪು.
Very good. Excellent. Shonit, my grandfather wears eyeglasses.
ಎನ್ನ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕ
ಪಾಡುವೆರು. Okay, very good. Very good. Sia, do you want to say, I have two strong hands?
ಎನ್ನ ರಡ್ಡ ಕೈ ಉಂಡು.
ರಡ್ಡ ಕೈ ಉಂಡು, ಗಟ್ಟಿದ ಕೈ ಉಂಡು. ರಡ್ಡ ಗಟ್ಟಿದ ಕೈ ಉಂಡು. Okay. Strong hands. Strong is gatti. ಗಟ್ಟಿದ ಕೈ ಉಂಡು. Okay. Vivan, my mother has ear ring, or you can say my mother has ring in her ear. Ring, you can say ring, and then say whatever you say for ear in Tulu.
You are muted, okay.
Yana amman kebit
ring kebit. She has a ring, or she has a ear ring, you can say.
Ear
enna ammane kebit
ring opor.
Undu. Very good.
Amata kebit ring opor.
Ring undu. Okay. Very good.
Video, so they know it yet.
Okay. Varenya, do you want to say, my dad has beard? Varenya, unmute and say, my dad or my father has beard.
Yana pappana tatta upunu.
Undu.
Okay.
Very good. Maybe Nirmala Kumari, you can say, my dog has a tail.
I don't know what is to say dog.
Nai. Same. Same as Kannada, yeah.
Enna naig
Tail, has a tail.
Bila
undu.
Okay.
Bala, Bila, yeah.
Enna naigu bala undu.
Bila undu.
Bila undu.
Small difference. Yes. That's all. Abai, do you want to say, I like my cat's fur? Fur, I don't know whether...
Roma, you can say Roma, yeah.
So, I like my cat's fur.
Yanu Bekkadu Parvasha
Roma.
Roma.
Bekku, okay, Bekku, yeah. We didn't say what the equivalent word in Tulu.
Pucce.
Okay, I like my cat's fur. Can you say that now?
Enna Puche.
Pucheda, Roma,
Pucheda. Roma.
Ista.
Ishta.
Okay, very good. Myra, do you want to say largest organ in human body is skin?
Please unmute, Myra. You're muted.
Myra, unmute. Yeah. Largest organ in human body is skin. Okay, skin, you know, right? Do you know skin?
No.
Okay, charma, you heard? Charma. Manushana. Human is Manusha.
Manusha.
Body, did we teach them body?
Yeah.
My
Sharira.
Jiva.
Jiva. Jivade. Manushana Jivade. Okay. Do you want to say that? Manushana Jivade.
Manushan Jivada.
Largest is Malla.
Manushana Jivada.
Malla. Anga is organ.
Anga. Charma.
Okay. Manushana Jivade. Malla Anga. Charma.
Manusha Ivada.
Malla
Mala.
Anga.
Charma.
Okay, very good. Puvisha. My brother's finger is injured.
Yenna Annana.
Finger.
Finger.
Biral.
Yenna Anna Biral.
Gaya is injured or wounded. Gaya or hurt. Gaya atand.
Gaya Avanda.
Okay, atand.
Asana.
Happened. Yeah. Okay. Now, rest of you, could you please turn on videos? So I know. All right. Okay. Swati, you can say, I lost my first tooth yesterday.
Suruta cool Kade Yanna Suruta Kuli
It's fallen off. That's the literal translation is fallen off. I mean, Tal the water is fallen off. Okay. But
Yanna Suruta Kuli Kade Tal
the bond. Okay. Vihan, could you unmute?
Yes.
Okay. Sorry, I think we have two Vihan. Sorry, I was actually referring to Vihan and Samai Shetty.
Oh, sorry.
Vihan, I'll come to you later. Yeah. Vihan. Okay. You can say. Mom has a wristwatch on her left hand. If that's yeah.
Mommy Kai watch under.
Left hand is dattakai.
Kai over.
Watch undu.
Watch under.
Okay. Samai, you can say my hair color is black. Hair is thara or kujal.
Kujal, yeah.
Yenna Sai.
Kapu.
Color is banna. You can say enna kujal or thara. Kujal the banna kappu. Do you want to say again, Samai? Enna kujal the banna. I'm sorry. Yeah, enna kujal the banna kappu. You can say that.
It's okay, beta.
Yeah, you are able to say that. Just say that. Yenna,
Yana,
Kujalda, Kujal,
Raja,
Banna,
Bana,
Kappu.
Kapu.
Very good. Excellent. Divya, do you want to say sorry. This necklace looks nice on my mom's neck.
ಈ
Necklace. The necklace you can say necklace.
ಕಂಠಿ ಈ
Kanti. Oh,
ಕಂಠಿ
very good.
ಅಮ್ಮನ ಕಂಟೆಲ್ದ ಬಾರಿ ಪೊರ್ಲು ತೋಜುಂಡು.
Oh, brilliant. Okay, that was a long sentence, but thank you. Okay, Sonia Shetty. Sonia Shetty.
I think kid. That's mom's
kids.
name, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You can say Enna Pappana. Sorry. My dad's face looks nice.
What?
Enna, Papana,
Mona.
Mone, Shokundu.
Oh, very good. Very good. Okay. Shamita. So you can say sitting long hours causes back pain. Sitting long hours causes back pain. Sitting is kulluni. Yeah, you probably know. Okay.
Wait, can you say the sentence again?
Sitting long hours causes back pain.
Okay.
Jasti kullunda.
Jasti kullunda.
Back pain.
Yeah.
Back is berry.
Very. No.
Very bene.
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 So,
Jasti kullunda.
Jasti very bene.
Apundu.
Up.
Yeah. That's like always like we say something that happens, right? So that's why we need to use. Okay, Jivanshari. You can say maybe simpler one. My dog has 4 legs. Or you can say
Nai,
legs.
Car,
Undu. Very good.
Say again.
Enna Nayak,
Nal.
Car, Undu.
Okay. Good. Arka. You can say my dad used to keep me on his shoulders when I was small.
Yenna Papa
Pugil.
Yenna Papa Pugelda Yenana Mittaun
Itteru. Okay.
Itteru
Kulla ondu itteru. Okay.
Kulla ondu itteru.
Okay, good. Vihan Samaya, we're done. Sonia, we're done. Vihan Shetty. Vihan, okay. You can unmute, yeah.
Yes.
I don't know, this was not in the homework, but it was in the last class. You can say thighs need to be strong for running.
I don't know how to say thighs.
Okay, potte.
How do you say strong?
Strong is gatti, and running is balipare. For running is balipare.
Okay. Sorry, can you repeat thighs again?
Yeah, thighs need to be strong for running.
Can you help me with this? Because I'm not really sure.
Yeah, so you can say, because for running, we can start from beginning. So we can say, bali pare,
Balipere,
potte,
potte,
gatti,
gatti,
board, or ipod.
boredom. Okay.
So now you can say, for running, thighs need to be strong.
Balpere,
Potte.
potte, gatti, bodu.
Okay. Very good. Who else we missed?
I think Sandhya, right? Swati and Sandhya.
Oh, Sandhya. Okay. So Sandhya, you can say, my dad's shoulders are big.
I think you have to unmute Sandhya. I think, not sure. You can say, ask Sonia. Sonia is done, right? Okay. Aishwarya.
Aishwarya, could you turn on video and unmute, please?
Hello.
Okay. I don't know if you can turn on video, but it's fine if you can't. Okay, so now you can say, we sense taste with tongue.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
Okay.
First.
Yeah, no worries. So taste is
Ruchi.
Ruchi. Okay. Tongue is nalai.
Nalai.
Yeah. Nama ruchi. Ruchinu.
Nama ruchina.
Nalaide.
Nalaide.
Sense one from the other one. Tupa. Okay.
That's okay.
Okay. Nama ruchinu nalaide tupa. Okay.
Nama ruchita nalai na tupa.
Okay. All right. Anyone else? Bhumi, I think that's the Bhumi. Are you there? Could you unmute, please?
I think Bhumi said she has some problem with the network.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah,
all right. Are we done with everyone? Or
no, we have Arya.
Oh, Arya?
Yeah.
Arya. Okay. Arya, do you want to say, I got hurt on my knee while playing soccer?
You have to unmute Arya.
Please.
Enkutágadana soccer gobbunaga.
Oh,
Awesome.
brilliant. Awesome. Yeah, Pathagadini, when did you get hurt?
Karivara. Poyivara.
Karinavara, Poyivara. Okay, very good. Good job. Very good. You didn't get hurt. All right. Okay. So now we all remember. So Kai, Kannu, Kebi, Munda, Tare, Mande, Munku, Nalai, Kekkil, Berry, Banji. Banji is stomach. Okay. Pugil, and Ratte. All right. Okay. So now I think we are already 27 minutes in here. In the session.
Let me share. Okay, you can see, right?
Yeah. All right. Presentation, by the way. Okay. All right, great. Okay, thank you. So this is a standard to our Tulu Paatherga team 2025. I think we have showed this in previous classes also.
You can all see the share, right? Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
So today, unfortunately, a small typo here. So today is class 5, 12, 14, and we'll be going through Tulu numbers, calendar, days, weeks, seasons, etc. Okay, so we'll go to the next one. Next slide. Okay, so we just completed a review of the previous class, and we will now spend a couple of minutes in Know Your History, and then we'll get into today's class. Okay, next one, please. Okay, so AATA International Online Youth Quiz. That's happening when? Some of you know already. When is it? Yepa?
Ini.
Ini.
Yeah.
Ini.
In next 1 hour, okay?
In an hour. All right. Okay, very good. So, do you know what is the oldest monolithic statue of Bahubali in Tulu Nadu? This is like monolithic is a single stone structure, and there are at least 2-3 in Tulu Nadu. And what is the oldest one in
Karkala?
Karkala. Yeah, Karkala. So now we will see. This is the statue of Bahubali. What do you see like in his body parts? What do you see like? Arna kebi enchundu. Uddandu. Arna pugel enchundu.
Gatti, strong, right?
Strong. Okay. Arna mone enchundu. Shokundu. Purlundu.
Telithundundu, telike. Okay.
Telike. Smile. Telike undu. Mone. All right. So this is the oldest monolithic statue of Bahubali in Tulu Nadu. So this is 42 feet high. It's a single stone structure and mounted on a huge rock structure. So this is in Karkala. Undu Karkaladu Undu. This is the second tallest statue of Bahubali in the world, with the largest statue is in another place called Shravanabelagala, in another district of Karnataka in India. And this is the second largest. So 42 feet. You can imagine how it's almost like 7 or 8 times taller than an average human being. Okay. And this was built in 1430, about 600 years ago. You can imagine how they would have erected such a tall statue on top of the hill, which is carved with the single stone, from a single stone. Okay, so this is from a single rock of granite, 42 feet tall, 10 feet wide. And there is a festival that gets organized every 12 years where the anointment happens with various items like ghee, milk, turmeric, and lots of stuff. So they will all be poured on top of that, and then that appears really beautiful. That happens every 2 years and happens over a certain number of days. I think it's probably about 12. Okay, so Malla statue Olundu, second Malla Raddane Malla statue Olundu. Olundu Karkala. Where is it? Karkala. Okay, very good. All right. So next time, if you happen to be in Tulu Nadu, please visit. And I also happen to be from Karkala area, so there is some personal interest as well. Okay, so today we'll start with numbers. And numbers, it's important because some places when we go, for example, talk to people, they might say a few numbers in Tulu. It's common, and of course you can also have people say those numbers in English, but Tulu numbers are important too. So this is the table, but ಒಂದೆಟ್ಟು specific ನಮ್ಮ ದಾಲ ಪಂಡ್ರೆ ಭಾಸ್ಕರಣ್ಣ.
Just this for the reference.
Okay. Let's switch to the next one. Okay, so now we have to remember basic 10 numbers. I mean, any language when we learn basic numbers, and then it's easy to construct the next set of numbers. I think what we have to always remember is about 1 to 20, and after that it's all like you add on top of that, so it's easy to build. Okay, so like for example, you say 1, 2, 3 up to 20, and then after 20 it becomes 21, 22. It's like it's easy, right? So now number 1 is Onji. Can we all say Onji?
Onji.
Onji. Okay, Onji. Okay. And then number 2 is Rud. Rud. Okay, Rud. And number 3 is Muji. Muji. Okay, Muji. Number 4 is Nal. Number 5 is Ain. Okay. Number 6, Aji. Okay. Number 7 is Yel. 8 is Yenma. Yeah. So this sometimes people say Enma, E-N-M-A. Sometimes people say Egma. It's all some slight variation. So you can say it both ways. And number 9 is Orumba. Orumba. Okay. And number 10 is Pat. Pat has 2 meanings. There's one more, which is like if you hold something, that also is called Pat. Okay. So Pat. I mean, Pat. Hold that. And number 10 also is Pat. Okay. So now let's say that again. 1. Please say in Tulu.
Onji.
Okay.
Rad. Muji. Ain. Aji.
Pat. Very good. Pat. Okay, so Vanji, Rad, Muji, Nal, Ain, Aji, Yel, Enma, Orumba, Pat. Easy, right? All right. Now, so we will go to 11, 12, etc. after. But before that, let's look at how do we say the multiples of 10. So 10 is what? Pat. Okay. Now 20 is Irua. Okay. And 30 is Muppa. Okay. Muppa. Okay. And 40 is Nalpa. Okay. 50 is Aiwa. Okay. 60 is Ajipa. Okay. 70 is Elpa. 80 is Enpa. Okay. 90 is Sonpa. Okay. 100 is Nud. Okay. Pat. Irua. Muppa. Nalpa. Aiwa. Ajipa. Elpa. Enpa. Sonpa. Nud. So another way of remembering it, this is what my son tries to remember this way, is like, so we have got Vanji, Rad, Muji, Nal, Ain, Aji, ಏಳು, ಎಣ್ಮ, orumba, pat. So these basic numbers we have to know. And then after that, like pat we already know. So iruva, you have to remember differently, iruva. And then mujipa, which is like 3 times 10, right? So 3, 10. Mujipa, muppa. So it's, you have to remove some letters, but muppa. And then nalpa, nalpa. Then ainpa also is not right. You will say aiwa. Ainpa is different. Aiwa. Ajipa, 60. Yelu pa, 7 times 10. Yelpa, okay. Yenma pa, which is enpa. Then you have to remember 90 differently, which is sonpa. We don't say wormba pa, okay. So it's sonpa. And then 100 is nud. So now let's say again. Pattu, iruva, muppa, mujipa, muppa, nalpa, aiva, ajipa, elpa, enpa, sonpa, nud. Okay. Very good.
Yeah.
All right. Any questions here?
Nah.
Okay. Good. All right. Now we'll get into the transition between 10 to 20. For example, how do we get there? For example, even if you look at English, after 10, we don't say 10 and 1, 10 and 2. I mean, later on you will see that 21, 22, 23, 24, right? So whereas between 10 and 20, we don't say that. We won't say 10 and 1, 10 and 2. So there is this difference. So similarly, in Tulu also we have, in most languages you will see this. So there's a, between 10 to 20, you have to say it slightly differently. Now, 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. So now we can remember, pat is 10 and onji. Pat onji. So this is fairly easy. Pat is 10 and onji. Onji is 1. Pattonji. Pattonji. Now, how do you say 12? Now let's do this way. I've got 10 and 1, 11. Now I want to say 10 and 2, 12. How do you say 12? Can we say attempt? Patrad. So we'll say patrad, patrad. Padrad we'll say, okay? Padrad. Now 13 is not patmuji. It will be padimuji. Padimuji, okay? And 14, can you attempt to say 14?
Padinal.
Yeah, very good. Padinal. Everyone can say, can you say Padinal? Okay. And 15, Pat-ain. Padinain. Okay. Padinain. Okay. And then 16, Padinaji.
Sorry.
Okay. Sorry. And 17, 10 and 7. Padinel. And 10 and 8, 18. Padinenma. Okay. And 19, Padinorumba. Okay. And then 20 is what? Irua. Okay. Irua. And now from 20 onwards, it's fairly straightforward. You just say Irua, Iruvattarad. It's in English we don't say, like we say 21, right? 22. Whereas if you look at Spanish, for example, there's a 21.
I think
22, right?
example 20 plus 1, it says Iruva Raddu. Iruva Tunji avadu.
Okay.
Polu. Oh, okay. Yeah. Forget about this one. Okay, just look at this one. Iruva Raddu. Iruvatta. Sorry. Oh, yeah. This is one.
Okay, there's some.
Yeah. Okay.
Need some correction.
Yeah. So this one is Iruvatta Onji. Okay, so now let me ask maybe Abai. Abai, do you want to say Abai? Abai, do you want to say 23? Follow this example. So you know 3 is what? 3. Do you remember 3?
Muji.
Muji. Okay. Now can you say 23?
Wait, can I say it in Canada first?
Yeah,
So,
sure.
Ipatmuru.
Ipatmuru. Very good. Okay. Now equivalent in Tulu. So 20 is Iruva, and this is Muji, and then you have
Iruva Muji.
Iruva Muji, but you have to add this one in the middle.
Iruva
Iruvatta Muji.
Very
Iruvatta
good.
Muji.
Yeah. Now, Pooja, do you want to say 25?
Hello.
Iruva.
Iruvatta.
5 is Ain.
Iruvatta.
Very good.
Yes.
Now, Vihan and Samay Shetty. Vihan, do you want to attempt to say this number?
Aji.
Yetaji? Iruvatta? Aji. Very good. Now, Sonia, can you say 27? Sonia? Iruvatta
Aji.
Undu. E number.
27 pannar.
Iruvatta Elu.
Very good. Arka?
And next one.
Can you say this?
27.
Iruvatta
20.
Oh, do I have to say 27 in Tulu?
28, sorry.
No.
Yeah. Let me
28.
Yeah.
Iruvatta Edma.
Very good. Okay. Anyone else wants to try this? 35.
Muppandainu.
Excellent.
Okay, I'll move the slides, Jagdeesh. Basically,
yeah.
Examples here. Okay.
Yeah. So here now you can see 30 is Muppa and 3 is Muji, right? So we don't say Muppa Muji, we will say Muppatta Muji. Similarly, 30 is Muppa and 4 is Nal. Muppatta.
I think last year
Nal.
says Muppattonji Muji avadu.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Very okay. So likewise, any number you can construct the same way. For example, 46. 46 is?
Malpataji.
Aji. Very good.
Okay. So
Correct.
All right. Now let's do some more exercise. Yeah, 16. Can
Padnaji.
Padinaji. Okay, so we can say Pattaji, Pattanaji, Padinaji. So that's how it changes, because it makes it easier to say this. Now we know that. Now let's try one more. So we know. Okay, so here it comes again, right? So Pattonji, Pattonji. Okay, Pattonji, 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 10 and 1. Pattonji, Pattonji, Pattonji. Okay, and this one is Patrad, Padrad, because it's a natural transition of the accent. It's like Patrad, Patrad, Patrad. If you keep saying that, after some time becomes da, right? So this is how it evolved to change into Padrad, because that's like a less stressful way of saying. And similarly here, Patmuji becomes Padimuji. Yeah. Similarly, Patnal becomes Padinal. Okay. Pat-ain becomes Padnain. Okay. Pat-aji. Padinaji. Okay. Pat-ed. Padinel. Pat-enma. Padinenma. Padnenma. These are all slight variants. And Pat-ormba. Padinormba. Okay, Pat, not Padipat. Not Padipat. Okay, it's not Padipat. It will be Irua. Okay, so that transition we have to remember. Like when it changes.
Bhaskar, the middle part of the slide is not clear.
the
middle part of the slide is not clear. Middle part, not very clear, I think, right?
Unde.
Was it clear?
Letters or?
Yes.
The contrast is little
middle
low, but
three. Right. Okay.
Okay. All right. Let's switch to the next one.
Okay.
Okay. Now, later numbers become easy, right? So, for example, let's look at 28. 20 is Irua. Irua Enma. You have to add tha in between. So then it becomes Irua Enma. Okay. Similarly, 26. Iruvatta. Aji. Iruvattaji. Okay, now 29. Iruvatta. Orumba. Excellent. And now Irua plus Patta. Irua Patta. It's Iruvatta Patta. No. No. Not Iruvatta Patta. It will be Muppa. All right. Now 39 is what? 39. Muppatta Orumba. Now let's say 37. Okay. Now let's say. Very good. Now let's say 54. Oh, this is.
Oh, this issue.
Yeah. Aivattanal. Very good. Okay. Now this one. 90 plus 8.
Sonpatta Edma.
Edma. Okay. Okay. All right. Now I think now we are good. Now I will say
Okay,
this
we'll go
number.
to hundreds. Okay.
Anyone wants to say this number? 77.
Yelpati.
Yelpatta.
Yelpate.
Okay, very good. Now let's get into the hundreds. So we learned Onji, Radd, Muji, Nal, Ain,
Aji.
Aji,
Aji.
Elu,
Ela.
Enma, Orumba, Pat.
Pata.
And Pat times Pat, I mean, Pat plus Pat, yet?
Irua.
Irua. Irua plus Pat,
Muppa.
Muppa. Muppa plus Pat,
Nalpa.
Nalpa. Nalpa plus Pat, Aiva. Aiva plus Pat,
Ajpa.
Ajipa. Ajipa plus Pat,
Elpa.
Elpa. Elpa plus Pat,
Edma.
Enmapa. Enpa.
Yempa.
Okay. Enpa plus Pat,
Tamba.
Tonpa. Tonpa plus Pat,
Ochi.
Nud. Okay, now likewise multiplication by times 2 times 3 you can keep doing. So for example, 100 is Nud, which we already learned, and then 200 is Irnud. 200 Irnud. Just like how you had Irua, this will be Irnud. Okay, and then likewise 300 will be Mujinud, Munnud. Sometimes people also say Mujinud, but normally it's Munnud. Okay. Then it's easy. Nalnud. 400. 400. Ain Nud. Ainud. Okay. Aji Nud. 600. Aji is 600. 600. Aji Nud. Okay. Then El Nud. El Nud is 700. El is 700. And then this is Edma Nud. Here also we can say Edma Nud or Edma Nud. Both of them are okay. Okay. Edma Nud. Edma Nud. This one. Yeah. And then Orumba Nud is 900. Orumba. Orumba is 9 and 100. 900. Okay. And then 1000 is Savira. So this is different.
What saw?
We also say Sara. Sara is
Ludu,
proper Tulu.
Illudu, Munludu, Naludu, Ainudu, Arinudu, Elnudu,
Enmanudu.
Unbanudu.
Sara. Onji Sara. Sara is
Sara.
1000. Sometimes people also say Savira. Another way of saying. Okay. That is 1000. All right. Now let's switch to the next one. So now I think we got basic numbers. This should be good for most of our conversations. And then you can also keep saying 1000 multiplications. For example, 1000, 2000, 3000, Onji Savira or Onji Sara, Raddu Savira or Raddu Sara, Muji Sara, Nalu Savira, Ain Savira, Aji Sara, El Sara, Edma Sara, Ormba Sara, Pattu Sara. These are all easy. You have to just keep using the basic numbers that you learned. Okay, so yeah, let's switch to the next one. And then when you want to say, for example, first, like you have number 1, but if you have to say first, then you have to say I 1 and then ST, right? So similarly for second, you say 2 ND, third, fourth, fifth. Likewise, in Tulu, it's much easier. In English, if you remember, if you notice here, you have got TH for 4 onwards. But for second and third, you have ND and RD, and first one you have ST. So it's a difference. Whereas Tulu, it's much easier. Onji ne, Radd ne, Muji ne, Nal ne, Ain ne, Aji ne, El ne, Edma ne, Orumba ne, Pattu ne. In which grade do you study, Vivan? Vivan and Varanya. Vivan, which grade do you study? Say the grade in Tulu.
Yalla.
Endmane.
No.
Endmane. Very good. Endmane. Okay. Now Akshay, do you want to say which grade you study?
Ajine.
Ajine. Very good. So it's very easy, right? No changes like in English, but much easier. Just say ne for each of those numbers. All right. Okay. So next.
Yeah, I can skip this. This is just
So
number
this
in
is
Tulu.
Tulu Lipi. We can skip this one.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's also learn a little bit about weeks. Weekdays. So we have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So this one you have to remember, memorize a few times, I guess. For example, Sunday is Aitara. Can we all say Aitara? Everyone unmute, please, and then let's say Aitara.
Aitara.
Okay. Okay. Monday is Somara. Somara. Okay. Tuesday is Angare.
Angare.
Okay. Angare. Okay. And Wednesday is Budara. Budara. Okay. Thursday is Guruwara.
Guruvara.
Friday is Shukrara. Shukrara. Okay. Some is Shaniwara.
Shaniwara.
So, this one thing you have to remember is like in some other languages, for example, Kannada, Hindi, or Sanskrit, or many other Indian languages, you will see it will also be called Somavara, for example, Somavara or Somara, because it's just made it easier. So, like you have to say Somavara, it's the second syllable that you have to pronounce, right? So this one will be like single one syllable kind of equivalent word. So that's why it's made easier. So Aitara, Somara, Angara, Budara, Guruvara, Shukrara, Shaniara. Okay. Yeah.
Shaniara bokka Aitara.
Yeah.
Budara, Guruvara, Shukrara, Shara.
Nigle school raje pa.
Kaniyara and Aitara.
Very good.
Awesome.
Great.
I think
All right,
if they give holidays for every day, then they will remember all the days. Okay. This is just for the information.
Okay. Now, then we have these months also. This one, it's pretty, like many people do not directly easily remember this, but because we go by, the Tulu people, they go by the transition of the sun in different zodiac signs. It's normally called like the solstice, right? So that's when the sun's whole trajectory is divided into 12 parts, and each of those transition when that happens. That's when Tulu months count. And you will see across many cultures, when it just becomes a spring period, that's when normally it's considered to be the beginning of the year. So that's why Tulu also has the beginning of the year in April, May, and that's called as Paggu. Okay, Paggu. So the first month of Tulu calendar is called Paggu. Can you say Paggu? Paggu. Okay. Then there is this other Besha, Kartel, Ati, Sona, Kanya, Buntel, Jarde, Perarde. So right now, what month is it? In Tulu month, what is it?
Perarde.
Perarde. Okay, right. So right now the Tulu month is Perarde. In fact, today is Perarde starting. Today is Tulu month, Perarde calendar. It's date number 1. It's like if you have to say Tulu calendar, Perarde 01 Perarde 2025. Okay. So today it's the
Month is Tingal.
Huh?
Month is Tingal. Month is Tingal.
Month is Tingal. Okay, so today is first day of the Perardika month in Perade Tingal. Okay, all right. So now I think this one we will have some homework questions, so then you can use it. Okay.
Yeah, we'll go to next just the seasons quickly. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So then there is the seasons like in the North America. How many seasons do we have? How many seasons do we have?
Nal.
Nal season undu. Oh, nal season summer, aregala. Okay, summer. And then fall, chali, galikala. So normally the gali is like, there is no very good equivalent season in Tulu. So, yeah.
Yeah, and we can use it as fall, or you can say galikala.
Yeah. And then winter, which is right now, O kala itte. Chaligala. Okay. Next is spring. Chigurukala. Okay. Whereas in Tulunad, we only refer to 3 seasons. What are those? Summer is what? Aregala. And rain is Mariala. Have you all experienced rain in Tulunad? Much different. Lots of rain. It pours, right? So it pours for many months. So that's why it is rainy season. Mariala. And then winter is Chaligala. Okay, so next one. I think that's where we will be ending. And we're 4 minutes over. I think, since we started at 8:05, I guess
Thank you.
We finished 1 hour. Thank you very much. Thank you for attending.
If there is any questions, I think there's some raised hands.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So, what is the word seasons called?
Season, yeah, you can say kala. Oh, kala itta. What season is it? Oh, kala itta. Itta aregala is summer. If you want to say summer, itta undu summer. Then you can say undu aregala.
Chaligala.
And yeah, now it's chaligala.
Okay, so thank you.
Okay.
Last homework, one bonus question answer. You asked for backbone in Tulu. I wrote Beritamullu. I don't know if correct.
Yeah, correct. Yeah, that is Beritamullu. But you said one more word, but that was new.
What is that?
She told one more word for Berimullu, or sometimes called Berikol also, Berikol.
Berikol. Berikol, yes. Berikol.
Okay, good.
Okay, very good.
Tulu word you gave and asked for the meaning. Latte.
Yeah.
It is beating.
Yeah.
Latte is tolu.
That is latte or latte?
Latte in Kannada and Tulu latte.
I heard it as latte, but I couldn't make out. So I wrote beating, crashing.
Oh, okay. Oh, actually, it comes with the latte.
Latte. Okay, thank you all for attending. Have a great rest of your day.
Namaskar.
Okay.
Namaskara. Solmelo. Lakkina vara sikkuga.
Solmelo.
Americade onji tulukuta boditinde. Americade onji ಅಖಿಲ ಅಮೇರಿಕ ತುಳುವೆರೆ ಕೂಟಂದೆ ಅಮೇರಿಕಡೆ ಒಂಜಿ ತುಳುಕೂಟ ಓದಿತಿಂಡೆ ಅಮೇರಿಕಡೆ ಒಂಜಿ ತುಳುಕೂಟ ಓದಿತಿಂಡೆ ಅಖಿಲ ಅಮೇರಿಕ